Florida has all kind of tropical plants. In Louisiana, they kind of fur and rare in between.
Yeah. Well, while we're talking about tropical plants, how about God's design in a banana? All right. So, you see the fruit
Yes,
of the
sir.
banana tree. All right. So the one that is producing the fruit, we call the mother. All right. So when the next one growing up is called the daughter, and this one is already almost ready for mama to go. And so when the daughter gets about 4 feet tall, it will trigger the mother to set fruit, because the full purpose of the mother is to set fruit, to die, and to feed the family. All right. So how do I adapt that God's design? Well, you see all these banana trees are capped off at 10 feet producing fruit. Well, that's because by taking what we call the pups, the babies, I know it sounds really bad,
No.
but if I take the babies away from the mother says, I have to stop growing and I have to start producing fruit to feed the family. So we take the babies away from the mother, those babies go down to a nursery and they start a new family. They become the new mother, and the mothers stop at about 10 feet, start producing fruit, and as long as I keep harvesting off the babies, I keep having mothers that are growing 10 feet tall and producing fruit.
And this is the pup.
And that is a baby, or what we call a pup.
The little pup right there.
And so all I do is take a shovel or a machete right down, and the base of it is a crumb, which is basically, you know, like if you think of a ginger or, you know, a Jerusalem artichoke or one of
Yes.
those type of things. And we just separate that off and take it elsewhere and plant it. That becomes a new banana family.
Now, I grow a tremendous amount of ginger.
Uh-huh.
I love ginger.
I love ginger and turmerics and everything else. As a matter of fact, this wet area right here is where that blue turmeric's coming in and getting established.
I see what's left of your swamp.
All right.
Oh, look at here.
So, I'm keeping this one on just so that people, same thing, by maintaining the trees when they're young, I can keep this mango tree at below 10 feet producing beautiful fruit.
Right.
Because I'd much rather harvest the fruit at this level than have to climb a ladder to get
Look,
my
I've
fruit.
preached that for years. Keep it where you can reach it and you don't die on the ladder.